for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to show you how I make my stickers. Here I'm just reworking a design that I had made of a little lamb holding a chick. As some of you may know, I'm using Procreate to make my designs. I finalize my design, I make multiples of it. As you can see, I already drew a cut line for it. These are going to be die cut stickers. That means that the machine, the Cricut machine, is going to cut all the way through the backing. Next thing I do is I collapse everything and add a new layer and call it bleed. Then I go get my monoline pen, which is in the calligraphy category, and I add a black bleed line all the way around. Black, just so I can see what I'm doing. Then I convert it to white. So I go into adjustments, brightness, and set it to 100% so that the black turns white. And now you have a bleed line so that the machine doesn't cut into the pink part of the sheet. I saved 2 PNGs, one of the whole image with the background and one of just the image with the cut lines. Here I'm going into Cricut Design Space, starting a new project and creating a template the size of the cut area for the Cricut machine, which is 9.25 by 6.75 or 6.75 by 9.25. Then import the image with the background as a print then cut. And I give it a name. Next I import my cut lines, make sure to set them as just cut, and give them a name. Unfortunately, there's no easy way to do this. You have to put your cut lines over your printable image. Tweak them until they're just right. Once they're just right, you attach them, rotate them, place them on the template. Then you duplicate your layers. Everything, and then hide your template. And don't forget to save a copy of your work on the cloud and on the iPad as well. Make it and turn off your bleed. Choose your Cricut accessory. In my case, it's the Explore 3. Choose print. Set your parameters. The paper I like is vinyl water-resistant paper by Cricut. I have the Epson EcoTank 3530 and the paper always goes in face down. I choose glossy paper and I choose glossy as well on the printer parameters and best quality. Photo glossy and best quality. select your material. to tell the cutting machine what material it's cutting through. So I chose cardstock 65 pounds. And later I regretted it because it wasn't enough to cut through the backing. You'll see. Here I'm just adding it to my Cricut mat. You have to make sure it's flush with the upper left corner. Then I load it into my Cricut machine and press play. And it's going to detect the registration marks, the black box around the whole thing, and then it'll start cutting after. Then I unload the machine and I check if my cut lines are okay. And the bottom row is better than the top row. I didn't actually position the cut lines that properly in Design Space. And as you can see, it didn't cut through all of them. It didn't cut through the whole backing. But as they say, when you make a mistake, just try again. So this time I chose my material and I chose cardstock adhesive backed. And I also chose pressure. Under pressure I chose more. It worked this time. The machine cut clean through the backing. So for the Kiss Cut stickers, I created a file the size of the cutting area of the Cricut machine. Once again, that's 9.25 by 6.75. And I'm just saving and bringing in PNGs of different poses of my character Bird Ball. Trying to fill the sticker sheet with different poses. I have a couple of blank spaces, so I'm going to draw a couple more. This one's from a pose I did when I made my animatic of Bird Ball. Start inking it in with the syrup brush. Thought I'd add in a backside view with him flipping you the bird with his tail. I fill in the rest of the sticker sheet with little designs. I choose the monoline pen with absolute white and go around everything that I want cut out. Once I'm done going around each of the shapes, I fill in everything. adjustments to the shapes. If they're overlapping, I just shrink and move them. When I'm finished, I turn all the cut lines black in the adjustments panel. I won't need a bleed line in this design because they're going to print with the green background. In Design Space, I already have a template. Give the file a name. And I do the same thing as I did before. I bring in the PNGs, first the artwork, and then the cut lines. Basically, the only difference between the production of the die cut stickers and the kiss cut stickers is the material that you choose. So for kiss cut stickers, the material that I choose is sticky note. It'll just cut through the adhesive part and not the backing. And I take a X-Acto knife and I cut around the sheets. They end up being around 4 by 6 approximately, 4 by 6 inches. Then I cut the corners, because here at Brightside Studio we always cut corners whenever we can. LOL.